Okay, trying to do this on my phone because it's just easier. I've got a re-speaker microphone there, and the audio is coming out of the stupid computer. So here we go.
Hello?
Hello, are you
Hi,
there?
this is Barbara.
You're Barbara?
Hi, I'm Barbara. Where are you calling from?
Well, I'm not calling from anywhere really.
Oh, okay. And it's a question about education. Do you think computers help or harm education?
I think they help education because people need to know how to use computers. What about you?
Yeah, for the most part, I think they help. I think it gives them access to things that they might not have had or would have been a lot harder to find the information they need. And I think it also helps with communication, and it gives them practice in using technology, which is pretty much a part of life in almost any field, you know?
Okay. Pause a sec. So, like, what do you like to do? Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
What do you like doing?
Oh, I don't do a whole lot. I enjoy gardening. I like to read. I have a pet. I'm just kind of a homebody. I have a degree in biology, and I'm not using it right now. I was a teacher, but I'm on disability, so, I'm just kind of on the sidelines. But I enjoy being home with my pet, reading and gardening.
Do you? Do you really? How do you garden
Yeah.
when you don't have any legs or arms?
Oh, I do. I've got a little garden going. I've got tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and beans, and I've got a little vegetable patch. Yes, I do. We have pets, so I spend a lot of time with them, and I enjoy reading. I've got a few books I read, but mostly I like to read.
Hey, stop a sec. Stop. You're
Okay.
you're completely delusional. So goodbye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.